Hey YouTube, I'm working on this old carburetor here, come off a 31 Chevy. It's a Carter, it's a RJH08. Accelerator pump is right there. This is the old leather that came out of the inside there. The spring was inside this leather. And it goes on this. This goes in there like that. Push the gas pedal down, of course it plunges. Well, we got this kit. And it came with a new leather. New piece of leather. It's right here. I have been trying to get this piece of leather. Now obviously you can get it right on there. And here's a new spring. I've even tried the old spring. You're supposed to put that on there. Put the spring on. Put it down in that leather. And then put it in here. Well, no matter what I do, I cannot get that spring on that. That's the best I can do. Now, I'm trying right now to collapse this spring. I tried this with the other one too, the old one. I'm trying to do that. Now, I called the guy that sells these kits. He says, oh, it's real easy. You just take a piece of cardboard tube and put it around there, and he puts a little Singer sewing machine oil in there and puts it down in there. Okay, all right, well, that's fine. Cardboard tube. Number one, where are you going to get a cardboard tube, specifically this size? And also, even if you took a piece of cardboard, cut it, similar to this brass I'm trying to do here, put it around there to compress the spring, I'm assuming. So then you can pull this leather up around the spring, kind of similar to that side there. Now, if it's so easy, my question would be to say, why didn't he mention that on the directions? And maybe, possibly, if it's easy and he has a cardboard tube or somewhere to get a cardboard tube, why wouldn't he include that in the kit? Now, I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt that it's easy and that possibly I'm doing something wrong, which is very possible, of course. Or the new leather that he has supplied is just a little too small. It's not cut correctly. How they do that, I don't know. But anyway, well, how he does it. He I guess makes this kit. Again, I've called him. He basically says, oh, it's easy to do. Okay, well, all right. So I immediately assumed I'm doing something wrong. Well, I have been fighting this thing for almost 2 days, not the entire day, of course, but I'm over it right now, and I would appreciate anybody that has done this before. I do see some carburetor things on a 31 Chevy on YouTube, but it doesn't really talk about this particular issue that I have found anyway. It may be on there somewhere, but I have not found it. Anyway, again, anybody that may have done this before, that'd be great if you could give me a hint on how to do it. I guess that's it. Thanks a lot. It's a pretty simple carburetor, actually. You know, it's an updraft, and I've cleaned all the orifices, cleaned everything up. It's ready to go. This was the problem, though. This accelerator pump. The engine would run, but you push the gas, nothing. You know, it wouldn't do anything. It just idle. So, and you could tell this is all dried out. So anyway, I guess that's it. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to hear from somebody on this issue. Thanks a lot.